So we're gonna change the LCD screen on the Sony. Okay. So we're gonna change it, and right in front you can see Vpcel. Okay. So the first thing to do is to remove 4 screws. One here at every corner. And right there. And there's usually a little plastic cover, so you gotta remove the plastic cover. Okay.
There.
Okay. Now we just remove the screws. We'll take out the covers. Okay. And then we'll work our way from these ends. Okay. So again, what I'm doing is just putting some space.
Begin.
Okay. So again, we will continue to pry it open. Okay. And that's it. So to change this one, we have to remove this screw here, this screw there, and one here and one there on either side. Okay, so I'm just going to put them on the side. These are small. Okay. Okay. And be careful when you take it, always have a hold of the screen, because the screen is going to fall right out. Okay. The only thing left is this.
So the screen should always be kept for security reasons.
Yeah, and there we go. Okay, we'll verify it's the same type. Okay. And that's it for this one.
And now the screen is gone.
Yeah.
And the new screen will be coming in. There it is.
And here's our new screen. Okay. So we will reconnect the same way we did. Okay. We'll put this right in there. Right into the groove. So I'm just going to put this one in temporarily, never fully tightening. Okay, I don't tighten it all the way.
By not tightening all the way, it keeps you able to do movements, right?
Exactly. And now we do the same on this side. Okay, so tighten it down there. Oh, it's not plugged in. This one is loose. Okay, now it's plugged in. There we go. And there we go.
And it worked.
Okay, that's as far as we go. And we shut it down.
Very
So
good.
now it's just a matter of putting the covers back on and the screws. So this one's good, this one's good. Plug it right back down. Okay, and then we start from one end to the other. Okay. And then we snap the bottoms. And we snap this end here. Okay. Verify that everything's been snapped. Looks good. And then we just simply put the screws back in.
Then upon putting those, you put these white covers on top of those screws.
Exactly.
And the mission is complete.
Exactly. So I just want to make sure that everything is snapped in. Okay, so tight seal. Closed, 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 closed. All the way down. And the bottom end is all snapped in. Okay. And that's it. And now we put the little tabs on. Okay. To close up to hide the screws. Okay.
What is that?
Yeah, and now you can turn it off.